Hey there, fitness enthusiasts and tech lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of wearable fitness tech with the highly anticipated Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. With its sleek design and impressive features, this smart band is poised to revolutionize your fitness journey. So, buckle up and join us as we explore everything this cutting-edge device has to offer in our comprehensive review. Let's kick things off with a glance at the specs. The Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro boasts a massive 1.74-inch rectangular AMOLED display, providing crystal-clear visuals and an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're tracking your workouts or checking your notifications, this vibrant display ensures clarity and convenience. When it comes to fitness tracking, the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro has you covered with support for over 150 sports modes. From yoga to cycling to swimming, this smart band can accurately track your activities and provide valuable insights into your performance. Plus, with built-in GNSS, you can accurately track your outdoor activities and explore new routes with confidence. Despite its impressive features, the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro remains incredibly lightweight, weighing in at just 22.5 grams. Its slim body, measuring only 9.99 millimeters, ensures a comfortable fit on your wrist, allowing you to wear it all day without any discomfort. Whether you're hitting the gym or heading out for a run, the smart band won't weigh you down. Now, let's talk battery life and durability. With up to 14 days of battery life on a single charge, the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro keeps up with your active lifestyle without needing constant recharging. Plus, with its 5 ATM water resistance rating, you can wear it while swimming or showering without worrying about water damage. Last but not least, the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro comes equipped with upgraded all-round health monitoring features, including heart rate tracking, sleep analysis, and stress monitoring. Whether you're focusing on your physical fitness or prioritizing your mental well-being, this smart band provides valuable insights to help you achieve your goals. And with its all-new quick-release structure featuring a metallic frame, you can easily customize your look and swap out bands to suit your style. Now that we've covered the specs, let's talk about the user experience. The Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro's intuitive interface and responsive touch controls make navigating through its features a breeze. With its seamless integration with the Mi Fit app, you can easily track your progress, set goals, and stay motivated on your fitness journey. Whether you're receiving notifications, controlling your music, or checking the weather, everything is just a tap away on the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. Its customizable watch faces and interchangeable bands allow you to personalize your device to match your unique style and personality. In conclusion, the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro is a game-changer in the world of wearable fitness tech. With its stunning display, extensive sports modes, long battery life, and advanced health monitoring features, it's the ultimate companion for achieving your fitness goals and living a healthier, more active lifestyle. So, if you're ready to take your fitness journey to the next level, look no further than the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep striving for greatness. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and fitness tips. See you in the next one.